and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. It's been a little while since I've done a video. I haven't had a chance to record a video, but I'm here now, and of course it's another wash day. So I'm going to do a new combination today. So I had this product, it's called Pro Style Clear Ice Ultra Whole Protein Styling Gel, and I've had this in my stash for a while now. And I think what happened was I used it and I guess I wasn't impressed, so it's been sitting there ever since, because honestly I don't even remember what my results were with this product. So I'm going to give it another try and I'm going to bring you along. So along with this gel, I'm going to go ahead and pair it with the Shae Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding, which you guys know I love this stuff. So I figured let's try this together, and I'm going to top it off with the Melanin Hair Care Oil to, lock in my moisture. So if you're interested in watching that, guys, continue watching the video. But first, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post a video. All right, guys, let's get started and let's get right into it. Whoever has watched my channels before, I may just fast forward through a lot of this because I'm just going to be applying the product, and I may just, kind of chit chat here and there. Yeah, to those who have seen my videos, you know the deal. And of course I forgot my other hair tie, but I wonder if I could just, because honestly I don't feel like going to find it. So let's see if I can just use this. Alright, there it goes. That works. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is put on the Curl Stretch Pudding. So how has everyone been holding up with this coronavirus situation? I don't watch the news too much, but for me and my family, we believe in the Most High, so we put all our faith in Him and know that He's going to cover us through this, and that whatever happens through it all is His will and it shall be done. So just gotta have faith throughout this time and just, check on your loved ones, but at the same time just make sure that you're using caution and not, being careless. So I guess social distancing is probably the best thing to do at this time. How do you guys feel about it? What have you guys been doing? Are you sitting in the house? Are you still kind of going about your life? I know a lot of people still have to go into work. I know a lot of people are working from home and have their children with them, so it's probably a challenge. For those of you who are in that predicament, what have you guys kind of been doing to keep your kids busy and kind of maintain and be able to do your job at the same time? Because I know that's a challenge. So yeah, let me know what you guys have been doing. Crazy times, guys, but we just gotta stay prayed up. Stay prayed up and believe that, this too shall pass. And guys, I didn't even test to see if these two products are compatible with each other, so I'm hoping I don't get like any flaking or residue or anything like that, but we shall see. I've been wanting to cut my bangs for the longest time. What do you guys think? I mean, for those of you that do have bangs out there, are they easy to maintain? Like, how do you maintain your bangs? Are they easy to maintain? Does it make it harder to style your hair? What are your thoughts? I'm just kind of tired of my hair, because my hair kind of falls into my face a lot and it's very long. It's long in the front, so I figure if I have a bang, it's still going to be in my face, but it's not going to cover my eyes. So I'm hoping that a bang will kind of solve that. Not only that, but I'm tired of the same look. I need a different look. And without being too drastic and cutting my hair short, I think the best thing to do would probably be to just cut a bang and, have a different look for a little while. So how many of you out there have tried the Clear Ice Gel, and how do you like it? I can tell you right now, it feels moisturizing, but it doesn't feel like there's a hold at all. Like, I don't feel like my hair is clumping at all, and it doesn't really feel like there's a hold. So how do you guys who do have this product, who have tried this product, how do you feel about it? Do you like it? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it just yet, but that could be why it's been sitting on my shelf. Yeah, I don't feel a hold. I mean, I feel like it's just coming on. It feels almost like it's going on like a leave-in. It's different for a gel. Very different. I was gonna do a live too today, but I'm just gonna continue doing my videos until I feel comfortable doing lives. It's just awkward, right? Because you do a live and you expect for people to join, you know, and ask questions. But sometimes you get on live and no one comes in, no one asks questions. You'll see some people viewing and, you know, they don't say anything. So it's just it's gotta build myself up to it, and then, you know, kind of get a feel for my subscribers and see, you know, would you join a live if I did a live? Especially like during this time when I'm just doing my hair and applying my product, you know, just kind of getting through this whole wash day routine. It's nice to kind of chat with people, but I don't want to do a live and then no one show up. What do you guys think? I normally do this on Sundays. This is my wash day, and Sundays maybe about anywhere between like 1 and 3. That's when I take the time to kind of mess with my hair, because they're, you know, sleeping, and I can kind of have a little bit of me time. How many of you have seen Madam C. Jaywalkers series on Netflix? I just saw that the other day and I thought it was an awesome series. I mean, I think her determination to be successful was very inspiring, and she was just not taking no for an answer. But I'm not going to say too much about the series because some of you may not have watched it yet. But it's definitely worth the watch. Again, it's on Netflix. So Madam C. Jaywalker was first self-made millionaire, first black woman self-made millionaire off of hair products. She made her own hair products. So it was very interesting. And again, it was a good watch. So my method is like a raking method, and sometimes I call it shingling. So it's not so much as shingling, but I know with shingling you take one piece, add the gel, and kind of do each piece separately. Where I take a bigger section and kind of do the modified shingling, I guess you could say, where I'm taking a bigger section and just kind of running through my fingers, not individually, but in a bigger section. Another reason why I want to do a bang is because this is the section that frizzes the quickest. I don't know, I feel like it's a looser curl. So it's kind of another reason why I just want to cut it. So if I do cut it, guys, I don't know, I'm really leaning towards it. So if I do cut it, I will definitely be recording it. And if you have any tips on how I should cut my bang, leave them down below. If you have any videos that you think I should watch before I cut my bang, you know, that kind of demonstrates how I should do it, please leave that down below also. It would be very, very helpful. Alright, y'all. So we are going to see how this does. The product is in there. Product is in. Like I said, this seems to me like this is a soft hold product. The way it goes on like a creamy leave-in to me. Does not feel like a gel. Not the gels that I'm used to anyway. But here is what my hair looks like. And I will show you what it looks like once it dries. And then I may show you first day hair. I don't know if I'm going to do a whole week. We'll see. So I'll show you first day hair so you can see what it looks like the next day. And I'll also show you once it is dry, so we can see just, you know, how much shrinkage I'm getting from the two products and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you in a quick second. Okay guys, so I am pleasantly surprised by this gel. The gel does have a bit of a crunch, but it does have a hold. When it went on, I didn't feel like it had much of a hold, but once it is dry, it does feel like it has a hold and it's a bit of a crunch. But still pretty soft. It's a light crunch. As you can see, my hair did shrink, but the results are nice. My hair is shiny, so it is very compatible with the curling stretch pudding that I use with the gel. So the combination worked very well. Okay, and this is my second day hair. As you can see, I have great definition. My hair does have some volume to it. There is some shine, and like I said, by the next day there is no crunch at all. My curls are defined and my hair does feel soft. So I'm pleasantly surprised by this gel. I don't know what happened the first time I used it. Maybe I didn't combine it with something that it worked well with, but I will be using this combination again. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.